So I just was at the Intermarché for grocery shopping, and I'm hungry again. Gonna cook something here on the parking lot. I just arrived at the Mercedes garage. I don't know if you can see it, the entrance is up there. The part has arrived. I don't know why they did not call me, but well, does not surprise me. They will fix it in half an hour when the people return from lunchtime. Isn't that crazy? I forgot to put away the stove, and it's still here after driving. I think I was lucky it did not fall down. It's at the exact same spot. Maybe it's sticky. So I'm back from the garage. Believe it or not, it is not fixed. I will have to return tomorrow. The door will not open even though the new lock is in. I'm back at this lovely place. There's another camper. I feel like Björn Ironside. I want to go there. Well, no, you can't. You gotta stay at the Mercedes garage. So, voila. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm again on a parking lot, not in nature as I wish I was, but anyways, it's raining again, so it doesn't matter where I am. I cannot go outside anyways. Well, I can. You know what I mean. According to the weather forecast, it will be better tomorrow. A little bit of sunshine. And since there is a castle up there, I will go and visit that castle or whatever that is. Update on the rear door lock. I'm getting sick of saying it, but they found out that it was not the part that they ordered that was broken. It's not the main part down, it is the part on top. So they have to order new parts and I have to go back again. Yay. Yay. It will take 3 days. Today is Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I don't trust that the part will really be there, and I told her I don't care anymore. We made an appointment on Monday afternoon, so just to be sure that that part will be there. It's gonna take them the whole afternoon probably again, so I decided I want to go hiking. Meanwhile, I'm sick of sitting around in towns and driving through narrow streets and traffic and everything and sitting on parking lots in the middle of the city. So, I'm hungry because it is 1:20 p.m. I need to cook first. Ouch. So the sun is out, partly. Well, it stopped raining. I was going to explore my surrounding. I was actually about to take you with me. The camera is gonna die on me in a few minutes. This might be it. Toilet paper, just in case. See that? Wet again. It's from this window. You should have told me. Now it's too late. I usually had issues charging my MacBook. Sound bing 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 all the time. It might be because the voltage is not stable enough or not high enough, depending on the battery load. So I changed the battery setup of the MacBook to energy efficient, or whatever you call it, when the battery icon turns yellow, and now it charges just normal. It stays much longer. I don't have to charge my MacBook all the time, but I can run it like I did before. So can someone tell me what the difference is? Because why does it not do it all the time? It's much more efficient. Gonna get a visitor. Yvette is coming for a coffee. I think that's my first guest since I live in Hobo.
Go crazy!
Yay!
Kijk eens, Jeppie!
Hey!
Hey! How awesome is this?
You're here too.
Hi, girl. She's like, saw your van, it's like, ah! How are you? It's warm today. It's like, where can we get you a shower? I'll ask, because we have to go get that tattoo.
Babe.
Oh yeah, she's here. She's such a baby. Oh, ja, she remember.
Your second home.
Ja, ga maar binnen kijken. Ga kijken dan. Kijk je binnen. Zo vriendje, ga kijken dan. Yo. Zo'n vriendje, hè? Dit is een vriendje. Ja,
So, where do you want to go?
yeah.
Want to go by foot?
Yeah, no, I'll
or
take you to the other side. I'll let you
Okay,
show you
okay.
where it is.
I'll get my stuff.
Yes.
So I just did my workout, obviously. Did a little cleanup, had my breakfast. The weather is not the best. I should go outside, get my butt moved, some fresh air, and then eventually come back, do some editing. Guess what? I'm getting better at it, I think. I'm not sure. It's not taking me hours and hours anymore, but still taking me a long time. I'm gonna put my only contact lens in. Excuse me. You see that? This is my home, not yours. Oh, damn. Wait a minute. I'll get to you just in a second. Are you still alive? How did you get in here anyways? Huh? Huh. Let's get out of here. You don't need to be that pretty, but I don't want to look like I just came out of a cave. Everywhere is hair. Okay. Got it? Always carry my stuff around. Money, passport, charging, toilet paper as well. I don't know, what else do I have in there? Don't know. Yvette and Sabrina are gonna come and pick me up in about 20 minutes. I kind of already got my bed ready, so when I come back from sushi, we will have sushi. Just crawl into bed. Hello!
Talk to a bit. Hi, I do. To look pretty for Monica. We're picking up this hobo. I was looking for you. It's like, it's so dark here. It's actually, we're gonna park where we were at. We'll just hop over to the other side.
Aldi!
Yay!
How exciting!
Is it on?
Yeah.
Is it playing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. Monica. Monica. Are you happy, honey? Are you happy, honey? She's just eating.
She's eating. Concentrate. Concentration. Ma'am,
Yes,
why are you holding your menu card with the napkin?
Because I don't have sleeves like you. So I'm just
No, what's the reason? What's the reason?
It smells like.
Want me to cut your pants?
Oh yeah, you just have to pull the pants down. One.
Touch be kind,
Other one.
Gaby,
The other one?
be nice, and Beyonce.
Beyonce.
But you cannot see it because it's still like it says skinny love. Saoud. Saoud. This just look like that. Yeah, man.
Hey girls.
Yo, what's up? Cuisine.
Hello ladies.
Hey.
Home sweet home. I'm glad I prepared the bed. Ha, so nice. But it's pretty fresh in here. Yeah. I think I'll turn the heater on so I can just snuggle and enjoy